Hello everyone, my name is Salsabila Balqis Aurelia with my last student number is 2105 from Public Speaking Class 2. In this occasion, we have debate with the motion this house would legalize abortion for teenagers. First of all, I will introduce to the issue and statement. Okay, abortion is the termination of a pregnancy before the fetus can survive outside the uterus. Teenagers might choose to have an abortion for various reasons, such as personal, social, economic, or health factors. However, abortion is a controversial and sensitive topic that involves legal, ethical, and moral issues. In the United States, the law regarding abortion have changed recently in 2022. The Supreme Court overturned Roe v. with the landmark decisions that gave women the right to abortion. Now, each state can decide whether to allow or ban abortion. This means that some states have made abortion illegal while others still permit it. Depending on their depending on the states, teenagers might also need the consent or notification of the parents of guardian to have an abortion. If, if they do not want to involve their parent, they may seek a judicial bypass, which is a court order that allows them to have an abortion without parental involvement. In 2021, there were around 626,000 legal abortions in the United States, and the rate of abortion by age per thousand population as follows. Under 15 years old, they are 0.4. 15 years old, 1.1. 16 years old, 2.2. 17, 3.8. 18 years old, 8.3. And 19 years old, 12. Globally, nearly 4 million adolescents aged 15 to 19 have unsafe abortion each year. As the government team, I agree with the motion this House would legalize abortion for teenagers because I believe that teenagers should have the right access safe and legal abortion without parental consent or notification. This is because forcing them to involve their parents in their decision could endanger their health and safety, violence their autonomy and dignity, and expose them to potential harm, such as abuse, homelessness, and suicide. According to the World Health Organization, around 45% of all abortions are unsafe, of which 97% take place in developing countries. Unsafe abortion is a leading but preventable cause of maternal and morbidities. Adolescents who are facing unintended pregnancy need confidential and compassionate care, not legal barriers and judgmental. I support the evidence that shows parental involvement laws do not decrease the rate of abortion among minors, but rather increase the proportion of abortion occurring past 12 weeks gestation, which are more risk and costly. Another reason why I agree with the motion is legalizing abortion for teenagers would respect their autonomy, reproductive choice, and they should not be forced to continue an unwanted pregnancy or resort to unsafe method of termination. According to the American uh, Pediatric, access to safe and legal abortion is a core component of sexual and reproductive health care for adolescents. The second, legalizing abortion for teenagers would reduce the social and economic burdens of teenage pregnancy, which can have negative impact on their education, employment, and future prospects of young parents and their children. According to the Guttmacher Institute, teenage pregnancy can contribute to poverty, inequality, and social problems. The last reason, legalizing abortion for teens would enable them to pursue their goals and aspirations. They also can plan their parenthood when they are more mature and stable. Okay, as the opposition team, I disagree with the statement from government team about legalized abortion for teenagers because I believe that teenagers should not have the right to access safe and legal abortion without parental consent or notification. This because allowing them to do so would undermine the sanctity of human life, the authority of parents, and the moral fabric of society. I also use data from the World Health Organization. Every human being has the inherent right to life which should be protected by laws. Therefore, I also oppose the American Academy of Pediatric Police that advocate for the adolescent's right to confidential care when considering abortion. Another reason why I disagree with the motion is abortion is not safe and simple medical procedure, but of violence and invasive act that can cause serious complications such as bleeding, infection, infertility, and even death. Abortion have negative emotional and mental consequences such as guilt, depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Another reason, legalizing abortion for teenager would undermine the moral because they can think abortion as an easy way to out of the problem and consequence of their actions. Legalizing about legalizing abortion for teenager also would undermine social values that are essential for a healthy and harmonious society. And the last reason why I disagree with the motion about legalize abortion for teenager because legalizing abortion for teenager will also undermine the role and authority of parents and guardian who have the responsibility and the right to guide and protect their children. Okay, uh, legalizing abortion for teenager who encourage irresponsible sexual behavior, disrespect for parental authority, and disregard for human life. Okay, that's all for statement for government team and opposition team for the motion. This house would legalize abortion for teenager. Thank you so much.